Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the face recognition on DELL Latitude 5420. To do it, go to the settings, then accounts, and now scroll down until you can find sign in options. Go to facial recognition, and I already have it set up, so I'm going to remove it. Then click on setup. Click on get started and position your face in front of the camera after you enter the pin which you're prompted about, and look straight into the camera. If it says to get closer or further, do that. Now I'm all set. Let's click on close and let's unlock the device with my facial recognition. You can also do things like improve recognition, which will re-enroll the facial recognition, and you can do that with a different hairstyle, with glasses, without glasses, or with bird, without bird, or stuff like that. So now let's just lock the screen and let's unlock it with face. I currently have my fingerprint sensor set up as the default unlock method, so I should change it by clicking on sign in options, face, and look in the camera. From now on, when I lock it, it should ask me for the face. Yes, it does. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.